This is their first day on the deck. Puppins! Hey, babies! And everybody wants to play with them, especially my black and tan boy. Oh, and they like their Aunt Melody. And there's Mama. Oh, look at that one. What's happening? What's happening? Where's the other one? Come here, baby. Oh, look at him over there. Come here, baby. Puppin. Where are you going? Hi. Oh, they're so hard to keep track of. Cooper. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sorry. I'm making myself busy. Oh, look at that. Hi. Hi, everybody. Oh my goodness. Cooper's very good at doing little somersaults, isn't he? Oh, who's at my feet? Someone's at my feet. Who is that down there? Oh my goodness. They learn to run and play. This is their very first time. Penny's playing. Penny says, hi. Hi. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, my goodness. Diva, Diva, leave the blankie. It's hard to keep track of everybody. Come here, Puppins. Oh my goodness, where is she? Look at that. Oh my goodness. They're actually running, trotting, romping. That's the grandma right here. That's Diva's mama. I mean Tandy's mama, Diva. Whoa, where are you going? There's Cooper again. And Mama's on guard over there. You never know what might happen across the street.